Hey guys, John here with Vapor Honing Technologies today. We wanted to pull this part separate. We're just going to show you a quick snippet of this part here. What we were doing is a coating preparation operation on some AR-15 parts, and we're going to be coating this gun in a new color, and we wanted to show you how good and how well vapor honing works to prep parts for coatings, and specifically gun parts. And if you guys are doing this application, you certainly need to grab a machine. It's cleaner, it's faster, so much easier, and you get a better prep surface to apply a gun coating such as Cerakote. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did and you have questions, either comment in the video below, subscribe to the YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram, or call the sales team for more information on your application. Thanks for watching. Take care.